Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 162B St Kilda Road in Rivervale. If you've been looking to get started in Rivervale and locations are premium for you, then this is the one for you. Situated in a cul-de-sac and only metres away from a quiet private park that the kids or the dogs can have a play as well. And we've got an easy care home with a backyard that has huge potential for you. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 162B St Kilda Road in Rivervale. If you've been looking for the easy care living of an apartment but with a backyard, then this is the one for you. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.